The second installment of Ek Villain, directed by filmmaker Mohit Suri, is set to release on February 11 next year. The news was confirmed by the film's cast, John Abraham, Arjun Kapoor, Disha Patni and Tara Sutaria, as well as director Suri on Thursday. John and Arjun posted the same note on Instagram. इस कहानी का हीरो विलन है. एक विलन returns. Tara Sutaria and Disha Patni had identical posts too. आपको शिकायत का मौका नहीं देंगे. डायरेक्टर सूरी रोट, हीरो की कहानी सब जानते हैं, पर विलेन की. एक विलेन released in 2014. It was an action thriller and a tragic love story featuring Siddharth Malhotra, Shraddha Kapoor and Ritesh Deshmukh. The film was a hit and its music became a rage. Actor Pulkit Samrat is excited about working with Katrina Kaif's sister Isabel Kaif in Suswagatam Khushamadid. The actor also revealed that Isabel is extremely hardworking.
Isabel is really hardworking. We've just started shooting together right now, and she's very motivating in the sense कि वो इतना हार्ड वर्क करती है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार इतनी मेहनत कर रही है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ पिक्चर में. So I'm really excited to pair with her and be a part of the film where I get a chance to work with really fresh talent, and she's very talented, so I'm really looking forward to Suswagatam Khushamadid as well.
Said Pulkit, who was present at Miss India Grand Finale event. Talking about his upcoming projects, Pulkit said,
currently I'm shooting Suswagatam Khushamadid. Hathi Mere Saathi is due for release this Holi, finally in the theatres, so I'm very excited for that. Releasing in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, so please people in all the three languages and also Punjabi people, please go and watch Hathi Mere Saathi in theatres. Follow all the safety guidelines, and it's very exciting. And then there is Fukre, which is going on floor very very soon, so I'm very very thrilled about it.
Suswagatam Khushamadid is billed as an entertainer with an underlying message on social harmony. It will have Pulkit essaying the role of a Delhi boy Aman, with Isabel playing the role of Noor, who hails from Agra. The grand finale of beauty pageant VLCC Femina Miss India 2020 took place in Mumbai on Wednesday. B-Town stars made sure to add glitz and glam with their fashionable outfits at the event. Actor Vani Kapoor, Chitrangada Singh, Neha Dhupia, Apar Shakti Khurana, Pulkit Samrat graced the red carpet event in their stylish avatar. Former Miss India and actress Neha Dhupia, who was on the jury panel along with Chitrangada Singh, Pulkit Samrat and renowned designer duo Falguni and Shane Peacock, said,
and it's such a great event to come back to. Miss India also has its own legacy, and as a mentor I've been representing this position for 5 years now, and it's great to see that our girls are doing so well, and I'm excited to see who wins tonight.
Actress Chitrangada Singh said,
मैं यही कहती हूँ कि जो सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ होती है, लड़की हो या लड़का, anybody, anyone, any age, is the confidence that they have. That is what makes you really attractive, more than how you're looking, and of course all that is good, but that inner confidence and that belief that you have in yourself, I think that is beautiful. So that is the one thing that I will be looking out for. Not overconfidence, because that is a put off, but just the right amount, when you're sure of yourself. So that'll be nice.
Talking about her upcoming projects, Chitrangada said,
there's this one film that we finished shooting last year, so pre and post COVID we finished it. It is called Bob Biswas with Abhishek Bachchan, and that is ready for release this year. Hopefully we should be able to be in a theatre, maybe. Let's see. And there's something else that I will start shooting, a woman-centric film, and yeah, that's what I have.
Mansa Varanasi, an engineer from Telangana, has backed the VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020 title. Actor Shahid Kapoor's wife Meera Rajput enjoys a massive fan following on social media. On Thursday, Meera shared a stunning picture of herself in a bikini. The star wife also had something to say about bikini bodies. She posted a witty caption along with the picture. She wrote, "Bikini bodies are like avocados. You wait forever for it to get ready and it takes just a day for it to go bad." Shahid and Meera tied the knot in the year 2015. They have 2 kids, Nisha and Zain. Actor Sanjay Dutt shared a heartfelt note on Instagram to wish his wife Manyata Dutt on their wedding anniversary on February 11. It has been 13 years since Sanjay married Manyata in 2008. On Wednesday, Sanjay posted a loved-up picture with Manyata. He wrote, "Loved you then, loved you even more now. Happy anniversary." Sanjay Dutt and Manyata are parents to twins Shahran and Ikra, who were born in 2010. On the work front, Sanjay will next be seen in Bhuj, The Pride of India and KGF Chapter 2.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.